These right here are the springs, boys. Dude, so I've been trying to sell these springs for like a fat minute now. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. It's been like a few months. So, like I said, I just woke up, which is terrible. It's 1 o'clock. Like I should not be waking up this late. But with that being said, I literally hopped out of bed. I was like, yo, I can meet you right now, halfway. So I got like a 20-minute drive. Well, like I said, I'm gonna meet up with Price and let him drive just because I need a really bad alignment. Like my toe is off like really bad. So I'm gonna let Price drive and told him I'd give him some gas money. We're gonna go to Price's house, head that way, and hopefully make a little bit of money. So I'll pick it up here in a second when we're with him.
Us too when we get over there.
Yeah, you're good, bro. We're in the VTech Power. Price. I don't think Price. Well, you made it in what, one video, but you guys probably don't know who Price is. But that's Price. Dude, I was reading your shirt.
Honda kid.
Yeah, the Honda kid. I was reading your shirt, bro. It says, "Drive fast, eat ass." He was walking in the garage and I was looking at it. I was like, does that say what I think it does? Well, that joke had me dead. But we're gonna go. We're like 20-minute drive to Plant City and hopefully make some money. But I hate going to see people on Facebook by myself, bro, just because like they're either super cool or they're sketchy as heck. So I was like, nah, I'm not gonna go by myself, especially because I went on the dude's Facebook profile, bro, and he had no pictures. Like it was all memes. I don't even know what the dude looks like. So I told him to go to Culver's, but there's a gas station across the street. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so we got there and it took no more than 5 minutes. Not even, it took like 2 minutes. So dude wasn't as sketchy as I thought it was gonna be, but it's an easy 300 bucks that I made off some coilovers. But I'm gonna say this now, guys. I was talking to Price. I've been talking to him for like the past 3 days. Big things might be coming for the FRS. Really big things, but I'm not gonna say anything about it. So you guys just gotta come back and keep watching the videos. But if I pull the trigger on this, it's gonna be baller as mess. But I'm really tempted to do it. So yeah, but besides that, I sold those and we're gonna grab some food because it wouldn't be a Casey Coleman vlog without food. And then we'll go from there. Probably gonna wash the cars later because your car's pretty dirty, my car's really dirty. And then go to Christian's later to fix some other stuff on my car. So pick it up here in a little bit. Guys, look who it is, the one and only. It is Christian. His BRZ is up and running. I didn't film the other day, but I did make a few TikToks. Christian had to drop his transmission and fix a few things.
2 hours.
Literally, like they dropped the tranny and put it back in. The transmission part was literally like an hour. And,
Yeah, literally.
like they took it out, put it back in. I was like, "Geez, Louise, it took me 2 days." Well, I watched my friends for 2 days. But guys, look how dirty my car is. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we're about to start working on mine. It shouldn't take long. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but this tire, like my toe is like terrible. Absolutely terrible. It's literally like this, and it needs to be like this and this. So we're gonna jack that up and then fix the toe. This side isn't too bad. Like this side looks honestly pretty good. Just my front tire is turned right now, but we're gonna fix that. And then honestly, while we're here, Christian, it's time to remove the sticker, I think. Let me explain. I didn't even explain to them why I'm removing the sticker. So basically, as much as I love these wheels are clean. I like them a lot. And if Theo's watching, they're wraps. Shut up, Theo. I like them. They look good. Basically, what's going on is Christian is taking my wheels and putting them on his car. And I'm taking his wheels and putting them on my car, but then I'm trading for stocks because I want to get new wheels.
You ready for the loudest noise in the world?
Yeah, you guys ready? Yeah. But anyways, as I was saying, I am getting new wheels, but I'm not going to say what kind, when that's coming. Just know you guys got to keep watching because there's a lot more than just wheels coming. So I don't want to say too much, but it is time to take the XXR sticker off and take the wheels off very, very soon. But we're going to do this and fix it, and then I'll pick it right
He's
here.
buying a BRZ.
If it's not one thing, it's another, guys. Like, I'm about to show you guys how bad my tread already is. It's been, what, 2 weeks? I've been running this camber for 2 weeks. I don't think, look at this. It's already wires, and like, that's a lot of wire. Like, a lot of wire. Like, That is scary. And it's just like, it's the same thing on the other side. I'm telling you guys, this whole camper life, static life is not the move. I'm big butt hurt. I'm buying a VRZ. Alright, change of plans. Well, not really. We had to stop because we got to go meet this kid at Publix to look at these wheels. Like I said earlier, I might be getting stocks. Got to go look at those. But Christian, on the other hand, just did a little mod. He built what? A little spring?
Put a M-Tech clutch pedal spring
down there on his clutch, and it says it feels completely different.
It's definitely different. It's definitely noticeable, but if anybody wants it, DM me.
DM on Instagram. But I told him the only way...
Oh, wait, actually...
We don't know yet. Maybe not.
Do I like it? I don't know.
He's got to feel cool. And I don't know if he likes it. It's definitely right way. It's definitely right way. Okay, guys, so I don't even know where we left off, to be honest. But we just took the wheels off. And Theo's coming in clutch. I was like, what is that chasing me? Like, what is that noise getting louder for? Basically, though, Theo has a friend that has a tire machine, and he's gonna flip my tires for me for 20 bucks. The only reason I'm doing this, because you guys are probably like, why would you flip your tires when they're that bad? Well, the only reason I'm doing that is because I need to get home, and I have a 30-minute drive ahead of me, and I'm honestly really scared to do that, and I need these tires for like the next 2 days. So it's not the safest thing to do. But like I said, I'm getting new wheels, so...
And no shop is open right now?
Yeah, literally no shop's open. It's what, 10 o'clock? So, this is literally the only thing I can do, so... You work with what you got, so... Alright guys, so it's literally been a minute. I was going to pick my camera up earlier. I got so much to edit on this video. Basically, we went to Theo's friend's house, and he flipped my tires, and I'll show you guys. We basically put...
I think that's pretty good.
I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it,
No.
but... Yeah, you can't see it. We flipped the tires, and I gotta drive home with the wires on the outside. So it's better than nothing. If I would have kept it, it would have been a really sketchy drive all the way home. But this looks super funny. It looks so funny, bro. Like,
yeah, I know.
that's how it's gonna be driving. But hey, I just need to get home, and like I said, within the next 3 days, I'll have different wheels on here, and we'll be big chilling, boys.
You're really clapping at your car, aren't you?
I am. It makes me sad, dude. Like, my car just got these tires like a month ago, and they're already... This is what, hey, if you guys do anything car-wise, thank you for the lighting. If you guys do anything car-wise, suspension-wise, get in alignment.
Yes.
Get in alignment, because if not, this is exactly... I'm going to tell this video, what happens when you don't get in alignment?
Learn from Casey.
Learn from me, guys. If you guys learning anything from my videos, just learn. Get in alignment, bro, because that is terrible. Absolutely terrible.
That's what, 2 weeks old?
Yeah, I bought those tires a month ago, but that's 2 weeks of camber. Okay, guys, this is kind of sketchy because it's not in the middle. Look, it's going at an angle. Dang.
Clean, you're good.
Alright, boys, I have literally, it says 1 minute and 50 seconds left on this card, but I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys liked the video. I'm sorry if it was kind of all over the place today. Literally today, bro, I had no idea I was gonna go sell my springs for one. After I sold my springs, I knew I was going to Christian's later to fix that, and then I ended up flipping my tires, bro. Like I said, new wheels are coming very soon. Well, no, I'm not going to say that. New wheels are coming, but I'm putting stock wheels on, so you guys will see those. I'm not going to show you exactly what stock wheels they are. They're honestly a decent looking, they're a decent looking pair of stock wheels. But I got some other things that I'm not going to talk about just yet. I'm not going to say, I'm just going to have to show you guys when it comes. But besides that, I'm going to end it here. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. We're almost at 400 subscribers. Insane. I love it. But besides that, I'm going to end it here, and I will catch you guys in a few days with another one. Peace out.